iPhone 15 is in and is different from other iPhone products. iPhone 15 has a new titanium body and a 1.5mm thinner bezels. It has a larger camera lenses, 48 megapixels with focused cameras and 30 megapixels front camera. It has a slightly curved edge with screen size of 6.1 inches OLED. It also has an action button which can be used for 9 custom functions. This includes accessibility, shortcuts, silent mode, camera, flashlight, focus mode, magnifier, translate and voice memos. iPhone 15 battery is 3500 mAh. It has a USB Type-C charging slot. iPhone 16 has a 6GB RAM or 8GB RAM. Its processor is A17 Bionic chip. iPhone 15 storage options include 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB and 2TB. iPhone 15 price is starting from $799. iPhone 15 Plus from $899. The Pro start from $1,099. The Pro Max from $1,299. iPhone 15 is set to be released on the 22nd of September 2023. Let us know in the comment section which feature of iPhone 15 you are interested in. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.